Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and this is me Kate here, and I'm back with another episode of our tutorial video. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable flashlight for your Instagram Reels video. Now without any further ado, let's proceed. Now launch the Instagram app on your device, but before that make sure that your Instagram app is always updated to its latest version. After that, launch the Instagram app and then make sure they are logged into your Instagram account. Now to record the new Reels video, simply swipe to the right, and in here at the bottom of your screen tap on an option that says Reel. Then you will be able to record the reel. Now in order to enable the flashlight, at the top of your screen, from there the first one, that is camera flash icon, which is turned off there. Now to enable, simply tap on that. Once you tap on that, you will notice that it is turned on. Now simply try to record a video and there you will notice a flashlight. So that is how you can simply enable flashlight. If you want to turn that off again, simply tap on there and again it will get turned off. So this is how you can simply enable flashlight on your Instagram Reels video. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.